Here's how you can use the powerful psychological hack of feedback loops to get what you want in business and life. Most of us in our lives are our own worst enemies. We actually stop ourselves from getting what we want. And one of the biggest ways we do that is we talk too much. The other person is ready to do the thing we want them to do, and we keep talking and blow the whole thing up. What I want you to do is practice using feedback loops. Those are things like this. Does that match what you were thinking? Does it make sense what I'm saying? Do you have any other ideas that you want to add to that? What are your thoughts? Did I miss anything? I want you to, every 30 seconds or so, when you're speaking with somebody, throw a feedback loop in. Does that make sense? And get them to talk. You are going to find that not only are you going to have much better conversations, but the other side is going to start saying things like, yeah, absolutely, let's do this, I'm ready to go, way before you thought they were. Stop killing your progress in life. Engage the other person, ask for a feedback loop, and you'll get your way. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.